guys, it's me, Zoe, and I'm going to be doing my sister's makeup today. And if you want to see, keep on watching.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm here with a very little special guest of my little mini-me, my sister Zoe. Say hi.
Hi.
This is our first time on YouTube ever. Decided to do a YouTube video with my sister. Are you ready, sis?
Yes.
Oh my god, guys, pray for me. I wish you could look, sis. So, first off, what do you do first?
You put this.
Moisturizer? Yes, good for you.
How do I do it? How do I do it? I don't know how to do it.
What is moisturizer? So now what?
This.
Wow, primer? Okay, we doing some primer. Oh, my sis, no. Don't call, oh God. Wait, what's next, sis?
This spray bottle.
What the heck, guys? She said the spray bottle. Now what's next? Now what's next?
That.
What is that? Okay, go ahead.
I know you put it under your eye.
Oh, you're smart. It's concealer.
Okay. A little bit. And
Alright. Are we gonna have a new makeup artist in Houston?
yeah.
Is that gonna be you, Zoe?
Yeah.
What do you want to do next? Got so many options. Over here on this side, I have like all my brushes, my powders, my makeup, of course, my eyeshadow palette. I have all the stuff over here, and Zoe has all the lashes and the sponges and the lipstick. So we just put it on the side, and she can decide what she wants. So what do you want to do next?
Want to do the eyeshadow.
Want to do eyeshadow? Okay. Which one?
This one.
You want me with this one? Alright, this is the winner. So this is the palette that Zoe's going to use. It's the BH Cosmetic Take Me to Brazil palette. So what are we doing on my eyes today?
Like
We're doing pink?
and purple.
Pink and purple. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna look cute. Gonna fierce me up. I better look cute. I got a date tonight. So what are we doing now?
We're adding purple.
Ooh, purple. Why purple?
Because purple is just look good together.
They do look good together. Yes, they do. So what do you want to do for summer?
Maybe dye my hair purple.
You want to dye your hair purple? You think Mama will let it?
Maybe it'll get better.
Oh, God. Okay, high five, sis. So you're gonna turn 10 this year, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, you're gonna hit the 2 digits. You're getting too old, sis. You're getting too old.
That's what Mommy said.
You are. You're gonna hit the 2 digits. Don't you feel like you're getting too old?
You're too old.
I'm too old. How old am I?
Like 21.
Yes, that's right. Okay, we done with the eyes, she said. Miss Marquez is done with the eyes. Okay, so do I need to put, are you gonna put lashes on me? Or are you gonna put like mascara on me?
You're gonna do eyeliner.
You wanna do eyeliner? Damn, sis wants to do eyeliner. Let me get the eyeliner out. So Zoe got the eyeliner out and I'm scared, but you got this, sis, right? It's not your first time, right? Oh Lord, heaven God. Okay. Oh, she done like that in 10 seconds. Then you must be that good, huh? What are we doing next?
Doing blush.
Blush? Okay. Alright. So we're gonna mix because she bad like that.
With this one. You gotta add more.
Oh, we gotta add more. Oh, shit. Okay.
2 hours later.
This one has too much.
What we doing next? Does that look cute?
Do the lash.
We're doing the leg sheet. Alright. Good? Alright. Is that it? What else you want? Are we done?
Do
Lips. You want to put that on my eye? Oh. So she's going back to the eyes because she likes the Stella glitter. See? It's called the Stella Cosmetic Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. Okay. So you can put it in my eyeballs. Okay. Make me a little extra popping. Okay. You know.
Because every girl needs glitter.
Every girl needs glitter. You right. Alright.
Okay, now we're going to
Now we're going back to lips. Anything else, sis? Or we would just the finished look.
That's it. Finish.
And
Oh, I forgot to do your brows.
Mrs. Marquez forgot to do my brows. Okay. Zoe is doing my eyebrows.
Next.
I'm gonna have some fierce eyebrows, right? I'm gonna look slay eyebrows, right? Alright. Alright guys, so Zoe, is this the finished look? Or anything else, Mija? Nada? Okay, so Zoe said this is the finished look. How y'all guys think I look like? Do I look cute? Okay, so I'll buy you guys closer. What do you guys think? Does that look cute? That look cute? Did Zoe do this? Did Zoe do it? Because I have not seen a single thing. So I'm praying, Lord Jesus Christ, I look cute, you know. So am I ready to go? Am I good? You ready to see this? Am I gonna approve this?
Maybe.
This girl said maybe. Oh god, okay. And I'm about to see the final look. So let's see. Wow, Zoe! Wow! I like the eyeliner. Wow. That eyeliner is fierce. Like, at least you know how to part it. You know you have to have a wing. But girl, them eyebrows. Who am I? Them eyebrows. Oh, but I love the pink and purple. You're right. Pink and purple goes together. And the glitter is cute. I approve of the glitter. Yes. The cheeks. They're cute.
But a little too much.
Little too much, but we know next time, right?
Yeah.
The lips. I love my lips. They look good. My lips look good. But wow, you didn't do bad. Like, you know what you're supposed to do. Oh my God, Zoe! Wow. I will give this a 7 out of 10 because you put your hard work into it and you knew what you were supposed to do. So. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun filming this video with my sister. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Alright, so my sister did an amazing job. She knows what she's doing. She's fierce, so I look cute or whatever. But thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye guys!